English teacher, and he is also English teacher. Ratan sir, how are you, sir?
Okay, fine. By the grace of Almighty, Arafat, how are you?
I am well also by the grace of Allah.
Okay.
What do you do?
Yeah, I'm an English teacher. Currently, I'm doing a job in a private college.
Yes,
I'm senior lecturer, and I teach many students at my IELTS coaching center.
yes.
Thank you very much.
Why do you like teaching profession?
Yeah, a very vital question. You know very well that education is called the backbone of a nation.
Yes,
And you know that most of our people are illiterate. So, without making them literate or educated, we can never imagine the development of the country. And you know, education and teaching profession has a huge scope in our
yes,
country.
of course.
So, you know, from my boyhood, I choose, I choose, and I like teaching profession.
Yes,
You know very well, teaching profession is
noble
actually
profession.
noble
Yes,
profession,
this
and
is
it
means
is a
noble
very
profession.
respected
Yes,
profession.
of course.
That's why I like teaching profession.
Okay, thank you very much. I will take next interview আজ এ পর্যন্ত আল্লাহ হাফেজ